everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. A Generation The Legacy has introduced us to Gogo Sisulu, portrayed by Jabulani Nkosi, who is well known for his character Emzini Wezinsizwa as Chiwari. Gogo Sisulu, guys, looks completely different from what people were expecting. Maybe he is aging differently, but guys, even during the time of Wezinsizwa, Chiwari was not that young. After his appearance on Generation The Legacy, fans on social media started asking if that was him or not. But the truth of the matter is that Gogo Sisulu is Jabulani Chiwari Nkosi. Jabulani Nkosi is Diketseng Mnisi, known as MaNtuli's from Skim Sam's ex-husband. They were married since 1983, and their marriage lasted for 22 years until they divorced in 2005. The couple have 2 children together, or the ex-couple have 2 children together who are in their 30s now. Let's check what people were saying on Facebook. It is him. Do you remember that he used to beat Sidi Sangoma? He even gave her Mamlambo's snake. Yes, MaNtuli's ex-husband. It's him, Chikota from Mam Gigi series. Amper. I don't think so. Truly speaking, guys, I was also confused, and I even thought he was Uzondi from Ubambo Lwami. Anyway, we are all growing and changing. Guys, that is all I have for today. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share this video. Bye.